Have you seen how expensive used cars are getting this year? It's getting to the point where deals on some new cars are so good it might be worth looking at new instead. Our team takes a look so you don't waste your money. Conventional wisdom says a new car's value plunges the minute you take it home.
We've all heard this. Oh, you lose 20, 30% of the car's value the moment you drive it off the lot.
But Carl Brower of the automotive website iSeeCars.com says that's not the case in 2021. With used car prices at all-time highs, iSeeCars says some used cars are so expensive that the new version is a better deal.
And if it's 2% cheaper to buy a 1-year-old one, why not just buy a brand new one?
Among the vehicles where new can be a smarter deal, Jeep Wrangler, Toyota Tacoma pickup, Toyota 4Runner, Nissan Frontier pickup, and Honda Pilot. In most of those cases, you can get the car for just $2,800 more than a 1-year-old version. And you get the full warranty, but some cars still plunge in value quickly. The survey says many luxury cars still drop 30% after a year. So it suggests you buy used if you want a Cadillac XTS or CTS, Mercedes E-Class, or Lincoln MKZ. So while used cars will be cheaper, if there's not much difference, new could be a better deal. Something to think about if you're in the market for a new vehicle.